What if I told you the AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here, and ordinary people, maybe even your neighbors, are quietly building wealth with it right now? It's time to pull back the curtain on this new digital gold rush. Forget everything you think you know about needing a computer science degree or a huge investment. I'm about to show you 5 practical ways you can start using AI to generate real income today. Are you ready? First up, AI-powered content creation. Think about it. Every business on the planet needs content. Blog posts, social media updates, website copy. Tools like Jasper or Copy AI can now write high-quality, SEO-optimized articles in minutes. Your job, become the human touch. You'll use the AI to generate the bulk of the content, then you refine it, add your unique insights, and sell it. You can find clients on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, charging hundreds of dollars for work that takes you a fraction of the time it used to. Imagine completing a week's worth of writing in a single afternoon. That's the power we're talking about. Next, let's talk visuals. The demand for unique images, logos, and marketing materials is endless. This is where AI art generators like Midjourney or Dolly to come in. You don't need to be a graphic designer, you just need to be creative with your words. By typing simple text prompts, you can conjure up stunning, professional-grade visuals. You can sell these as digital downloads on Etsy, create custom merchandise designs for print-on-demand services, or even offer logo design packages to new businesses. People are making thousands a month selling digital art that was generated by an AI in seconds. It's a brand new market, and the barrier to entry has completely vanished. Method number 3 is something anyone with a good voice can do: AI-powered voiceovers. The market for audiobooks, YouTube narration, and podcast ads is booming. But what if you could clone your voice? Tools like Eleven Labs allow you to do just that. You can create a high-quality AI version of your own voice, then use it to produce audio content at lightning speed. You record once, and the AI can then speak any script you give it. This allows you to take on 10 times the number of projects without ever stepping back into a recording booth. You're not just selling your time anymore. You're selling a scalable digital asset to your voice. The 4th method is a game changer for anyone interested in e-commerce: AI-driven product research. One of the hardest parts of starting an online store is figuring out what to sell. AI tools can now analyze market trends, competitor sales, and consumer demand to pinpoint winning products before they even go mainstream. Instead of guessing, you're making data-driven decisions. You can use this information to start a dropshipping store with Shopify, find hidden gems to sell on Amazon FBA, or even create your own product line. This isn't just about finding a trendy item. It's about building a sustainable business based on what people actually want to buy. The AI does the heavy lifting, you reap the rewards. Finally, the 5th and perhaps most accessible method: AI-powered consulting and automation services for small businesses. So many local businesses are overwhelmed by digital marketing, customer service, and daily operations. You can be the hero they need. Using no-code AI platforms, you can build custom chatbots to handle customer inquiries 24/7, set up automated email marketing campaigns that nurture leads, or create social media schedules that post content automatically. You're not selling them a complicated piece of software. You're selling them a solution that saves them time and makes them more money. You can charge a monthly retainer for managing these systems, creating a stable, recurring income stream for yourself. So there you have it, 5 concrete, actionable ways to start generating income with AI. No coding or massive startup capital required. This is not science fiction. This is happening right now. The question is no longer if AI will change the world, but how you will use it to change your life. The tools are here, the opportunity is real. The only thing missing is you taking that first step. So I have to ask, which of these methods are you going to start with? Drop your answer in the comments below. Let's start building the future together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more ways to level up your life.